Hi, this is Gabriel Castro from exoticwithpen.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm using a selfie stick to shoot my video and how I do it, and using my iPhone 6, a couple of tricks along the way. And if you've downloaded my pen segmenting videos with basic tools and jigs, I would like to say thank you very much, and thank you for your support over all three episodes or series. And what I used for that, I used this basic Logitech webcam, high definition webcam, and it's a B910 model, and this is all I used along with my laptop. I don't have a regular video camera, but this was my whole thing right here. So $100 used laptop on eBay, $35 for this, and I used Microsoft Windows Movie Maker, and that was how I filmed all three episodes in my series. I spent months of filming and editing that, unlike my YouTube videos where I spend tens of minutes. So anyway, thank you for watching. Okay, so let me show you my homemade camera stand. It's just a piece of a 2x4 that I resawed in half and put some feet on the bottom. I have a piece of PVC, and on top I have a selfie stick that extends out, out of the way. So some of the shots that I get where you see me turning where the piece is right in front of me, this is how I get those shots. You can see my other phone here, and you can see what I'm looking at. So when I'm standing in this spot right here with the camera right in front of me, you can see how I can still work freely with the tripod, being that it's not an actual tripod, it's a boom, is out of the way. So that helps me get to some of those shots. What's also good about this boom, I'll just call it a boom instead of a selfie stick. Let me show you on my other lathe. So on my other lathe, it's just a Delta 46700. You've seen some of my videos on it. I've just got a bowl mounted on it, a bowl blank. And from the view of my camera right here, you can see how it looks. I can hit that at a completely different angle just by using that, so I can get a nice profile, even a semi-forward shot on that without having to do anything different with my lathe. And you can see how it looks with this phone mounted on there. So it is quite nice to be able to use a selfie stick modified in this manner. So in this video, you see me talking with my background, my hand planes and such behind me as an introduction in my videos, and you can see how that's done with a selfie stick. But if you also notice that I also have a car inside the garage, and anyway, that also helps with that camera setup, so I don't have to move my wife's car out of the garage every time I'm doing something. Okay, in this part of the video, you can see that this is a cap, and this is the lower portion of a kitless pen that I'm working on. And the point I'm trying to make on this video is that this is shot in portrait mode, and there's a way to go around it to fix it, to put it back into landscape. Okay, so right here I've got a duplicate video of the first part that you just saw. Now this is obviously in portrait mode, and let me zoom in so you can see that right there, how that's portrait. And let me back out and set this down. Now I want to put this into landscape, so I'm just going to separate this right here. I'll split that, and using your fingers there. Now that is in landscape mode.